Today, we're going to explore angles, one of the fundamental concepts in geometry. Angles are geometric shapes formed when two rays meet at a single point called the vertex. These fundamental shapes can be classified into several distinct types based on their measurement and appearance. A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees and creates a perfect square corner. It is commonly seen in everyday objects like book corners, room walls, and picture frames. When drawing a right angle, mathematicians often mark it with a small square symbol at the vertex to indicate its precise 90-degree measurement. A straight angle spans exactly 180 degrees and appears as a completely flat line. In this type of angle, the two rays point in opposite directions, effectively splitting a full circle exactly in half. Imagine a line drawn horizontally across a page. This represents a perfect straight angle. Another type is an acute angle. It measures less than 90 degrees and appears narrow or pinched. These angles are always smaller than a right angle and can be observed in various situations, such as the angle between a clock's minute and hour hands at 10:10. Their compact nature makes them distinct from wider angle types. An obtuse angle measures more than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. These angles appear wider and more opened up compared to acute angles. A good example is the angle formed by a clock's hour and minute hands at 2:45, which demonstrates how an obtuse angle looks more expansive than a right angle. A reflex angle is the most complex angle type, measuring more than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. These angles seem to wrap around more than halfway and cover a significant portion of a full rotation. They are less common in everyday objects, but important in advanced geometric studies. To identify and measure angles, use a protractor carefully. Always align the protractor's baseline with one ray of the angle and read the measurement precisely. Practice identifying these angle types in real-world scenarios like architectural designs, clock faces, and geometric patterns to improve your understanding. Now it's time for a review. Let's see how much we understood from our discussion on angles. What angle is exactly 90 degrees? If you need to, pause the video. If you said a right angle, you are correct. It is exactly 90 degrees. What angle is 180 degrees exactly? Once again, you can pause the video and take your time. Ready for the answer? If you said a straight angle, you are correct. Great job. What angle is less than 90 degrees? An acute angle. Absolutely. Great job. Here's a tricky one. What angle is greater than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees? If you said an obtuse angle, you are correct. What angle is greater than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees? That would be the most complex angle, a reflex angle. Way to go! Thank you for watching. Until next time.